All right. Now we're doing 7Q functions of integers on Cartesian plane. This is by G964. 82% of people like it. Consider integer coordinates x, y in the Cartesian plane and three functions f, g, h defined by f is the max of x and y, the min of x and y. G is the max of x and y, and h is x plus y. All right. So we're going to need to remember these, all right? Where n is a given integer, n is always greater than or equal to -1, which is, I don't know why there's a 0 here other than to confuse us. And x and y are integer. In the table below, we can see the value of functions, the value of the function f with n equals 6, okay? F is the min. So this is the minimum. This is the min, what is it? Chart? Value? Graph? Whatever you see. Table, that's what it is. All right, so if it was max, this would be all 6s, this would be all 6s, this would be all 5s, this would be all 5s, this would be all 4s. And then if it was x plus y, it would just be the sum of like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, and then going up. And then, so basically what we got to do is just add to, we just have to do a minimum, we have to do a minimum, what is it called? Table, and add all these numbers together. We got to do a maximum table, which would be what I described earlier, and add all those together. And then we also had to do an x and y and add all those together, and then that's what all this is. Really confusing. Anyway, here's the task is to calculate the sum of this, the sum of this, this, and this for all integers x and y such that 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than equal to n, and same for y. The function sum min, sum of x, will take n as a parameter and return the sum of minimum of x and y and the domain blah blah blah, and the same with max, but for max, and the same for sum. All right, and so I didn't do it, but I'm sure if we add all these together we'll get 91. Okay, and then these are the values for these tests. All right, so hopefully that makes sense to you, because once you break it down like that, this is much easier than it lets on to be. Okay. So first things first, let's do an initial value. We're going to say result, we're going to say let result equals 0. All right. Now we're going to do a for loop, and we're going to say for while x, since we're doing x's and y's, we're going to let x equal 1, since it doesn't go below 0, and while x is less than or equal to n, let's say 6 is the n, whatever, we're going to do x plus plus, and to get the y, we're going to do the exact same thing. Let me just take this and change it up right like that, throw some y's in there. All right, and the other thing is we can just use this for all three of them. So let me take this and replace all these and reformat them, I guess. No, I guess that looks good. Okay, so now that we got this, now, oops, let me throw these in there. My bad. But now that we've got these in there, we can start getting serious with this thing. And that being said, let me show you. I'm just going to take all these and redo all of them thusly. Bear with me, thank you. What? How about I'll do this? All right, cool. So now that we've got this done, I'm going to show you the things we're going to use. All right, we're going to use the Math.min method, function I should say, which returns the lowest value number passed into it. We're also going to use the Math.max, which does the largest number passed into it, okay? So For this, we're going to say result plus equals, since we're summing all this stuff together, and then we're going to say Math.min x, y. So it's going to look at the x and the y, and whichever one's smaller, that's going to throw that into the result. All right, and then we're going to return result. Now let me take this. Oops, that's not how we take that. Let me take this, drop it off in here, and I might as well do it here too. And then we're going to change this to max, and we're going to change this to x plus y. All right, let's throw some results in there. That's not how we do it. Return result. All right. Let's cross our fingers, see what happens. All right, good. All right, let's attempt it. Okay, took forever, but okay. Submit it. All right, very liked this one. Changed it up again. Where are my solutions? Where's mine? Well, whatever. I don't care. Anyway, and we'll see you next time. Oh, no, here it is. All right, there it is. Best practice. And we'll see you next time.